Alright, so basically I'm here today to waste your time and exercise filibustering in the Senate. So now I'm gonna waste your time by reading off a list of my favorite restaurants, singing a song. These are a few restaurants I like to go to on my free time: McCormick and Schmick's Seafood Restaurant, Tin Drum, Moe's, Taco Bell, Kentucky Fried Chicken also known as KFC for short, Anatolia, Checkers, Hooters, Amigos Mexican Restaurant, Happy China, Hibachi Grand Buffet, and lastly Burrito Delight. So those are my favorite, and now I'm going to read off the lyrics to my favorite song Wasted by Gucci Mane. Hectares, ha 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 ha, wasted, hectares, ha 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 ha. Rockstar lifestyle might don't make it living life high every day, click wasted sipping on purple stuff rolling up stank. I wake up in the morning 10 o'clock drinking party, let's all get wasted, shake it for me baby girl, do it butt naked. I'm so wasted, she's so wasted, shout the bartender sent 20 more Kaseski. Now that you know the lyrics to my favorite song, I'm going to read the lyrics to the dumbest song ever made. The song is by Rebecca Black called Friday. Yeah, ark, ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Rebecca Black, verse 1, 7 am, waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, CI and everything. The time is going ticking, single quote on and on. Everybody's rushing, gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus. I see my friends, kicking in the front seat, sitting in the back seat, gotta make my mind up which seat can I take. It's Friday, got to get down on Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Weekend Friday, getting down on Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying, yeah, partying, yeah. Fun, looking forward to the weekend. We were driving on the highway cruising so fast, I want time to flee. Fun, think about Friday. I would waste more time, but this video is getting too long.